Hi everyone, it's Rod from Vacuum Warehouse. If you're watching this video, you have either received or now are expecting to receive your brand new Miele vacuum cleaner, which is a Miele C3 Limited Edition. It's a great buy. Congratulations on the new vacuum. We definitely hope you enjoy it for a very long time to come. Also thank you so much for your business. We really appreciate it. It means a lot to us and you're awesome. Thank you. Now quickly, 2 reasons for this video. You get a $50 coupon, we'll tell you how. Number 2, cover some basics on the vacuum. People have questions right out of the box, not sure where everything goes or how the things work. So we try to address the basics, try to make it as quick as possible for you. The $50 coupon is yours as soon as you send us a fun little video of yourself, the vacuum cleaner. If you're happy with us, mention us. If not, the vacuum cleaner. It's gonna go on our Facebook page. You can post it directly to our Facebook page as soon as you do that. $50 towards your next purchase. Use it yourself, give it to somebody else, whatever you like. If you have any questions, let me know. But 5-second video, $50, $10 a second. Oh, we're burning money here, okay? So, okay, the vacuum itself comes right out of the box. Vacuum separate than everything else. I'll try to very quickly to go across what you're getting. Now, the first thing is the hose. Some people have a question as to what goes where. So this end, this is the part that goes to the canister right there, and this is what goes onto the pipes. Remember the 2 parking spots on the sides. These 2 parking spots you can use to store the vacuum cleaner wherever you like. We're gonna put this part to the canister. You'd see right here there's a bit of a notch, and you see that they need to match. And with Miele, anything that is attached together, it makes a sound. It's going to have to click. If it doesn't click, it's not in place properly. There we go. And if it does click in place, it's a very secure hold. This end, you do not need to take the plastic part off. That's meant to stay there. Goes right on to what we call a banana handle. It doesn't matter which way you put it, as long as when you do put it in, it clicks. There you go. Fantastic. The wand, very easy. You got a notch here, right there, which matches this here. All you have to do is put that in and click. One more time. There we go. You couldn't hear it, but it went in. You push this down in order to adjust the telescopic one up and down. Attachments are the same. You do get the 2 heads with it. Parquet twister. Really nice tool to be used on your hard floors. And the combo brush for carpets and hard floors. However you put this in, again, you just want to hear it click. This release button here, it's going to go into that little niche there. So again, however you put it, you just want to hear it click. This release button, you push that to take the attachment off, and you also have one here for the wand. You could take the wand off from the hose right there. Okay. Now, one little trick with this particular tool, if you are using this on carpets, make sure first of all you're on the right setting. You're on the carpet setting. This is pushed down. The bristles have been retracted. Now, the vacuum has a very strong motor, 1200 watt motor as a matter of fact. And if you're using the vacuum on a high suction setting, this thing's going to stick to the carpet. You're not going to be able to move it back and forth easily. You're going to hate this. So the one thing you want to do is use a lower suction setting when you are using that attachment on the carpet. And that brings me to what the vacuum's all about. Now, this mechanism is all foot operated, so no worries, you can use your feet, your hands, whatever else you want to use. You have an on and off button here, cord rewinder. The cord rewinder is a comfort cord rewinder, so 1 tap and that should do it. The 6 suction settings are controlled by this button and this button right here. And they are curtains, upholstery, area racks, quiet setting, wall-to-wall carpeting, and maximum. Now, the maximum is usually used for hard floors. You'll get a hang of it. A couple times you use the vacuum cleaner, you'll see which setting you're most comfortable on. Again, combo brush, carpet, try to stay within these 3 settings, and it's a lot easier to move back and forth. Remember, if you are not enjoying using that on carpets, if you have low to medium poly carpets, you always have an option to add what we call a turbo brush. I'll show you in a second. Now, this is a bag indicator. If there's an orange bar underneath, if you turn the vacuum on and that orange bar is all the way out, you need to change the bag. Okay, I'll show you how to do that in a second. Now, this releases the lid on the upholstery, crevice tool, and dusting brush, right? So onboard tools, that's how you get them out. Bags, this is used to release the lid. The lid is designed to stay up, so when you change the bag, it doesn't come back and snap your fingers in half. However, when you're done doing whatever it is you're doing here, you do need to push this down a bit, okay? So don't be scared, it's okay. You could put some pressure on it and push it down. Now, how do you change the bags? Very easy. The existing bag, pull it right out. The new bag, they have 2 arrows on the fitting here, 2 arrows on this bracket here. Bag slides right in, and you want to hear it click, okay? This holder, do not take it out. You don't need to mess with it. It stays wherever, right here where it is. There are 2 filters. You're supposed to be changing these filters once a year. I'll show you very quickly how you change those. This is very easy. All you have to do is pop that out. This filter, provided in the box of bags that you've hopefully purchased. If not, you could use your coupon to get extra bags and filters. The ones that are in the box are larger, so you just use this as a template, cut it up, and all you have to do is push that in, put that in once a year. Same thing here. All you have to do is this. And done. That's your filters being changed once a year. Now, just one little side note. If you did get a HEPA filter, if you added a HEPA filter to this vacuum cleaner, both this casing and these filters need to come out so the HEPA filter could be placed. You do not use them both. And you don't need to use the microfilters if you're adding a HEPA filter instead on the top. That pretty much explains the whole thing. Make sure you change the bags on time when the vacuum tells you. Remember the orange bar. And the filters once a year. You do that, you've maintained the vacuum properly, this thing should last you for a very, very long time. Really quickly, the popular tools. At the bottom of the email, you'll see the links to these if you're interested. A lot of people do put these together. We're letting you know you may use your coupon to purchase any of these extra items as well. But that turbo brush I was telling you about, the STB3053, okay? The long crevice tool. We have a long crevice tool, SFD20, and the dusting brush is SUB20. Now these items are popular for a reason. This is a long flexible crevice tool. You use this anywhere, you know, where the fridge meets the cupboards, the cabinetry, and that little highway of hell. You have to push the fridge or to pull the fridge out and the stove out to clean. You don't have to do that anymore. You have this plus, very important, dryer vent. This is a really good tool to get into there. The car, the center console, anywhere. And the dusting brush is one of my favorites. I use the vacuum for dusting all the time. The neck pivots into 2 spots. Really large surface, long bristles. Use this everywhere on, you know, windowsills, baseboards, a 90-degree angle here. We're on top of the fridge, fan blades, car dashboards, anything. All these items are available. Again, we're hoping to get a video from you and give you a $50 coupon so you could put pretty much all of these in your basket and not even have to pay for them. If you do have any questions about your new vacuum cleaner, we're here to help. 1-877-220-5656. We'll be happy to answer any questions. You can send us an email, sales@vacuumwarehouse.ca. Thanks. Bye.